Society has historically not shown a lot of respect for people who believe in UFOs. But after a series of sightings, leaks, and government disclosures, the ufologists are starting to look a lot less kooky. And they may finally get some actual proof. Tucked away in December's massive COVID-19 stimulus bill was, of all things, a provision that ordered the Pentagon to publish an official report to Congress on UFOs. Parts of that investigation have already started to drip out, with intel officials conceding they still can't explain the phenomena of UFO sightings. The full report, though, is due by the end of the month. So if you feel like we didn't already have enough going on, we might soon know whether there's an alien attack on the horizon, or if it's just a foreign adversary developing some sort of advanced technology in their bid for world domination. It's not like the government has been totally ignoring UFOs until now. The Air Force ran a program called Project Blue Book from 1952 to 1969 looking into possible sightings. But after checking out over 12,000 reports, the program ended with inconclusive results. After that, the government pretty much shut down everyone looking for info on UFOs and aliens, leaving people who were curious about what was going on in, say, Roswell or Area 51 looking like a conspiracy theorist. But then, in 2017, the New York Times published a bombshell report that showed the US military was still taking UFOs very seriously. So seriously, in fact, that they had a $22 million classified program to look into reports. The program was set up with an off-the-books, quote, black budget, and had the support of people like Senate Majority Leader Harry Reid and eccentric billionaire Robert Bigelow. Although Bigelow's support maybe wasn't that surprising, since he had long owned the Skinwalker Ranch and had also tried to set up space hotels. But the Times didn't just have juicy details, they had the videos the program was looking into, ones by US Navy pilots. Like this 2015 encounter when a pilot flying a jet off the coast of Florida saw an object that seemed to move in a way that is impossible for any known human aircraft.
Roger, there's troubleshooting. Did you box moving target?
No, I took an auto track.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Wow, look at him fly!
The only reason any of us are seeing these videos is because of, we shit you not, Blink-182 frontman Tom DeLonge.
We all know conspiracies are dumb.
His UFO-focused group, To the Stars Academy of Arts and Sciences, was able to obtain the receipts and get the government to release them publicly. That 2017 news led to a new renaissance in ufology. Then there was a series of mass sightings in Hawaii, Brazil, and Colorado in 2020 and earlier this year. And a recent Motherboard report found that a lot of Canadian pilots are seeing weird things in the sky. One commercial pilot actually turned off his autopilot and made a drastic move to avoid a, quote, object that appeared to be solid and shaped like an upright donut or inner tube. Finally, after years of silence, the Pentagon officially released videos of the unidentified aerial phenomena last year. Because the fact is, even the people whose entire job is studying these events aren't sure what they're looking at are objects at all. The leading theory, or fear if you're someone like Senator Marco Rubio, is that these aren't aliens, but are earthly adversaries who must have developed an advanced aircraft being flown with advanced propulsion.
Frankly, that if it's something outside this planet, that might actually be better than the fact that we've seen some technological leap on behalf of the Chinese or the Russians.
Intelligence officials who read the classified report told media outlets it didn't include any proof that these phenomena were alien-made. But they also said there wasn't any evidence they weren't aliens. So the Pentagon report, in all likelihood, will leave us with even more questions. Luckily for us, there's always Blink-182's Tom DeLonge, still out there looking for the truth.